Last night I hit rock bottom, finally saw right through myself. Wasn't long till I called mama, I wouldn't wanna call no one else, 'cause I knew exactly what she said. And I wanted to hear it anyway. She said, what about Jesus? Oh, what about Jesus? He's the answer you've been searching for. 'Cause it's a long road if you're walking it alone or without Jesus. Jesus. Say goodbye and went out driving.